Yeah. No. If you don't want, no.
Riley, let her finish that one. Help her with it like you were doing.
No, we have to do this first. I know. No. Grass. The grass is green. And he's missing that grass. I am at the big tree. No. I know. And I am in the house.
Start at the first word is what she's trying to say, Meredith. She's not using her words. Riley, use your words to help her.
You know, you've been reading it all the time. The net is pink. Pink. I am purple. I am a purple pig. I am a purple pig. I am a purple pig. The